Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1090 in a row. We're using Cash App here for this experiment. If you aren't familiar with this app, it's super simple to buy, sell, trade, send, receive Bitcoin. And if you sign up using the link in the description, you can get $5 for free. So today we're gonna buy my $1 of Bitcoin. It'll be a quick episode, then we'll get just into some other quick news over here. So current Bitcoin price, $37,238, up 1.62% today, down 3% the past week, down 21% the past month, and up about 6% over the year. So pretty much going sideways on a year time frame there. My current balance is $3,454. Current Bitcoin owned is 0.09272117. Let's see if there's any news here today. Bitcoin dodges sub 30K liquidity grab. Bitcoin Doji points to bullish reversal scenario as Bitcoin holds 36K support. Bull or bear market. So it seems like that's a lot of the talk. Are we on a bull market or a bear market with this most recent dip here? There's also been a lot of news in DeFi lately. Lots of drama and troubles in some of the DAOs and like rebase DeFi projects. I'm not in any of those, but something to look out for. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give us our order details here. And then we just need to tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin to the balance. Current Bitcoin owned 0.0927472. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,452 divided by 1,090 days equals a 3.16x on our investment. So for every dollar that we put into this experiment, we now have $3.16. So still doing very well with the dollar cost average method. Remember, if we take a look at the all-time chart, we've been buying since this range right around here. We bought up higher quite a bit in these zones. We bought lower here, but it's just about averaging over time. And it's proven to be a very strong method. Believe in Bitcoin. Just going to keep doing this. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff here. So in my previous video, I talked about this more in depth. You can check out day 1083 here if you want. But a lot of the talk, especially like influencers and YouTubers, people make the narrative like Bitcoin is just gonna turn around here and go to the moon above 100,000. I personally don't know if that's the situation. Data shows me that when these halvings happen, we get a pump right after the halving. The halving basically makes Bitcoin mining more difficult. So it's happened 3 times now, and I would assume that this was the pump this time. This was the run, and we're gonna kind of go sideways here until the next halving. Maybe even see some nasty dips down to this 20K range, but I imagine those would get bought up pretty fast. And then, after this next halving, maybe that's when we go on a big run above 100K, but that's kind of what I expect. Anything could happen though. We could go to the moon, we could drop down to 13K. Like, that's why the dollar cost average method works, because I can't predict this stuff. No one knows for sure what will happen. So if you just keep averaging in, then you're chilling. Also show a chart here that I've shown before, the 200-week moving average. So basically this line is a 200-week moving average on the weekly chart, and like that remains the ultimate buy, this line. Currently we're above the line, so it could come back down. We'll see. But this is a very simple chart to follow. If you're buying that 200-week moving average, you've done very well. Talk about some NFTs real quick. I'm in a basic ape. It's a Solana NFT you can buy on Magic Eden. So I've been scooping up the rares here. Here's my collection. Pretty dope collection. Got a few items listed for sale. Just gonna keep scooping those rares, But yeah, Solana NFTs kind of all over the place. Lots of BS. Just gotta try and pick good projects. This project is coming out with a gaming platform, and if you own 3 of these apes, you'll be able to earn from the games. Again, these guys in the Discord are kind of all over the place, so it's hard to even suggest this one, but this is one that I've chosen. we'll see what happens. Other than that, Lazy Lions, you know, I'm in that one. Going crazy lately. Floor price 2.7. Floor price was down around 1 for a long time, but we've had a pretty good run here leading up to the roadmap, which is released tomorrow. Genesis Syncronauts back above the mint price, floor price 0.28. You can see, like, even if a few are sold here, we're going to a 5 ETH floor. Also, Sync token, like, market cap 1.2 million, just criminally low. So do what you will with that information. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That'll do it for today. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.